Good morning, traders, and God bless. I am Ricky Gaspard, and your host for this pre-market session. We'll be watching for stocks to be called out here on this live stream. And if you notice, we're watching AMD here, which is really flying. I done made a nice profit off of it. But anyhow, we'll be watching for stocks to be called out here and stocks to pop up here or here. And once we confirm we have a stock we're interested in, we want to come over to the current bar volume. And we want to make sure there's enough volume to get in and get out safely. And that would mean this number needs to be flying just like you see it now. And this label needs to be green. At the same time, you want to see money flow, the green line above the yellow, shooting sky high just like you see it now. And you want to see these green bars in Dominator Master. These are buyer bars. You want to see them above this yellow average volume line. That tells us that there's more buyers coming in than normal. And if you are a new trader here, I highly suggest that you watch these live streams over and over and over before you throw your hard-earned money into it, because this can be tricky. It looks easy when I do it or when others do it, but it's not as easy as it appears. So maybe try it on paper, write down your entry, your exit, and your results as you're watching. And if you continue to be profitable on paper, change over to small share size. Anywhere between 1 and 10 shares should do it. And if you continue to be profitable with small share size, the only thing you need to do to increase your profit is increase your share size. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you reach out to the proper licensed authorities before you take any of my advice or use any of my indicators. And also in your active trader, make sure that your TIF is on EXT. That stands for extended hours, so you don't miss a trade. And happy Monday. And good morning, YouTubers. And I've already made a nice profit here. Hopefully some of you are taking advantage of this AMD move. We don't know how much more it's got left to it, but it looks pretty powerful to me still. We are currently watching AMDL. It's a cheaper price than AMD for those of you who need it to be cheaper. Continuing to push higher, but it's moving a lot slower than it was earlier. Ronnie, if you look for that EXTO that's purple right there, that means you can put your TIF on EXTO and trade these stocks before 6 a.m. or before the top of the hour. Good job, D. I've already traded AMDL. I caught it earlier. I caught it right here in this area. Got some profit taking going on now. It's not selling off. It's just profit takers from this nice run up from $11 all the way up to $16.30. YouTubers, the reason we were able to catch this play is I had turned on the streamer at 5 a.m. my time. I'm not moderating at that time, but I'm studying the market, watching for movers, getting ready for the top of the hour when my market actually opens. But you can trade some of these stocks if they say EXTO. They are 24-hour trading stocks. AMD is one of them. This climb actually started at 5:50 a.m. Central Time. I'm a little bit late on OMND. It already spiked up. The indicators down below, money flow, money flow kind of red. Might have a little bit more to it. $1.56, $1.61 on the spike upwards. Remember to take profits on the way up if you got into this stock earlier. If you wait till everybody sells, it's hard to get out. You lose most of your profit. ONMD, lots of buyers on board here. We have nice volume flow. The label is green. The indicators are pointing north. $1.75 so far, $1.81. I'm selling here. Trouble getting out for me. I waited a little bit too long. I'm out now, totally. I only got $100 on that one. I was late on it, like I said. Good job, Terry. And Majika, well, I don't think Majika traded it, did he? Nope. Greg B, good job. Wilson Franco, 258. Nice trades. Good way to start a Monday morning. Good job, you four. Mr. D, good job. Good job, Pro Dollar. All kind of profits being made this morning. Good job, Terry, on 1,236. Autumn Rain, 42. Autumn Rain, you must have got in late like I did. Barry C, 53. Good job, Brother Barry. Nice trade, David Knight, over on YouTube on AMD, $3,430. What a wonderful Monday, huh, David? Fantastic. Whenever you get a good company like AMD, something in the higher price range that's EXTO, they're pretty safe trades. They're not like these cheap penny stocks that bounce up and down on the way up. Them higher price stocks, a lot smoother moving, a lot more trustworthy. So thank you, AMD, for making my day. And thank you, Lord, for waking me up this morning. AMDL still looking good here. It's not selling off. Might be the play of the day. There, you might can play it several times. Eddie, I don't watch news or anything like that. I am monitoring momentum shifts in the stocks. And once one of them takes off, we judge our entries by buyer and seller percentages, not by news. It's good when they have news. It helps run the stock up a lot higher. But I was not sitting here waiting on news to pop up. I have indicators that take care of that for me. Good job, Gary. Nick, there's one pre-built into Thinkorswim. If you go search the left column, the left side over there, you have another toolbar. If you open that up and check out all the pre-made scans for Thinkorswim, you'll find it. Won't do you any good though. It's so many stocks in it, it won't load for me. What I do is I use one of the other scans and change it to search in that directory. Welcome back, Rick. Market's kind of quiet at the moment. Looks like AMDL's consolidating at the moment. FEMY, let's take a look at it. 87-cent stock. Checking the volume flow. Looks pretty good. I don't buy these cheap ones. I'll leave it up to you guys if you want to trade it. I don't like these bouncy ones. Currently selling off. I'll, FEMY, a few more buyers coming in. It looks like the sellers are right there with them, though, to bring it right back down. Probably not a good one to jump into unless you are a risk taker. Lynn, that should not restrict it from showing on your computer. I have all kind of scans to spot stocks that are moving. That might be why we caught it, but I'm pretty sure it hit some of the paid scanners out there. FEMY pushing up for about a penny and a half. NUAI looking north, another cheaper stock only paying pennies. Doesn't have enough volume to trade it. It's kind of frozen. ONDS. Checking volume first. Nothing there. Good job, you four. NVDL. What's NVIDIA doing? It's crashing. Well, not crashing, but it is dropping. PALI. Pally been moving around for about a week, not really doing a whole bunch of really high runs, but has been bouncing around. Currently at very low volume. I would not risk trading it as a scalp at this time. ONMD has already made the run. We are on the backside of the trade now.
LITM.
LITM spiking upwards now a little bit. Looks like some more buyers may have found it. The indicators look good. Hopefully money flow don't roll over. Let's see if it'll keep pushing. We just broke through this line here. Setting a new high at 635. Let's see if the buyers continue. If it drops down below that 609, it may reverse on you.
ONDS.
Looks like ONDS is making a small move.
SMCX.
Let's see if we come down and retest
ONDS.
609. We did retest 609. Now let's see if they can break out with it. I'm going to throw another line here. We need to break above this level, which is 621. Looks like they're going to continue selling off.
ONDS.
Good job, Mr. P. 105 on LITM.
SMCX. FEMY. AIP.
FEMY probably coming down to test this level here before the next breakout. The 90-cent level needs to get back above it. Does not look like a trade to me.
AIP.
AIP. I'll check them as they call out just in case they take off. AIP at 1278. Checking volume. There is none here to trade.
FEMY. OKLL.
Going to check some other stocks really quick. Tesla not doing much. BM&R. BM&R, no volume yet. CRCL. Let's take a look at the SPY.
FEMY.
SPY
CLSK.
trying to come up off the bottom. CLSK, no volume. USAR, checking the volume. There is none moving. Looks good, but not enough buyers for a scalp.
EOSE.
No volume on EOSE. These are just small purchases being made. Some of those hopium traders, they buy it and hope it
ETHT.
goes up.
ETHT.
No volume ETHT.
CLSK. SOXL. MSTX. SMCX. ETHT. MSTX. SMCX. MSTX. KXIN. SBET. SOXL. ONDS.
KXIN, under $1. I won't be trading it. Some of you like to trade these cheaper ones. Just getting started here, it looks like. There's that 50% pullback on the candle. It should push back up.
SMCX.
Let's see if it does, or does it sell off?
MSTU.
It's all over the place. This is why I don't
KXIN.
trade these.
SOXL.
It's either going to
SBET.
attract some buyers or everybody's going to bail on it.
CLSK. SBET. SOXL. SMCX.
Don't like the tall wicks up here. There's lots of sellers sitting up here trying to get out of this stock. Maybe some bag holders been hanging
ETHT.
on to it for a while, taking what they can to
EOSE.
get out of it.
SMCX. SBET. SOXL.
SPY is rising. That's why
SMCX.
SOXL is being
CLSK.
called out.
SBET.
Going to move away from that one so nobody gets in trouble.
TSMX. SBET. EOSE. SBET.
SBET looking north, but no volume.
ONDS.
CRML, thank you, Stackham. Allegos. Allegos. Pardon me on the pronunciation. We have some volume flow. This one may go up a little. I'd like to see a
BTBT.
lot stronger volume on it. It is weak. If there's no battle going on here, just some buyers coming in, it looks like. We need this number to really be pumping. We need this label green. That's not happening. SOPA checking volume. We do have some flow. It's coming up off the bottom for some reason. It's sold off. May not have much buyers there since it sold off. We have nice volume flow with a green label. Price is not moving up like I would like to see it. Money flow flashing red.
SOXL. SLI. SYTA.
SYTA. Checking volume. There is none.
AISP. AIP. AIP. ONDS.
Can't find any volume at the moment. We do have some stocks looking north, but there's nothing to drive them higher.
UMAC, AIP, ONDS, ONDS, AIP, AISP, ONDS, BTBT, ONDS, ONDS,
ONDS, if you like it slow, this one is definitely slow. It's not paying
AISP,
a whole bunch of money either, just about a nickel a jump, sometimes less. With this low of volume, only takes one seller to knock all of it out, so be cautious.
HUMA, CLSK,
Good morning, Dinah Guy. Take a look at AMDL. Well, this is where patience comes in. Not seeing anything at the moment. See you later, GK. Have a blessed one. Good morning, Big Head Golf. You missed a big play, brother. AMDL or AMD. We've been watching LITM. There's no volume to trade. We need a battle. We need those numbers really flying. We want to jump in and fight the battle with them. There is no battle here.
ONDS.
ONDS continuing to just barely move north.
SOXL. HIVE. ONDS. ONDS. SBET. SBET.
SBET must be taking off. Checking volume. There is none.
SOXL. AI. NFE. CLSK. SOXL. NFE. ONDS. AI. SOXL. CLSK.
Bunch of very low volume movers.
SOXL.
You can tell how slow this one is. It's missing bars even between the other bars. That means no data.
ONDS. EOSE.
ONDS continuing to push higher on low volume.
AI. HIVE. ONDS. ONDS. AIP. AIP.
I'm going to stay out of this one
NVTS.
simply because if that 10,000 share seller steps in, it's going to wipe out most of this.
HIVE. SOXL. SOXL.
Nice trade, KK. Must have held on forever, brother. KKONDS, $517 at 2,000 shares.
CLSK. HUMA. SOXL.
SPY continuing to push higher.
ASST, MSTX, SOXL.
Big head, what I'm talking about is you'll see if they're just barely moving in 24-hour trading, you'll see a slight blink on the numbers like you see here. Just a slight blink. You
NVTS.
have to look for that little flash. Or you can watch for volume to move. I kind of watch for the flash myself in 24-hour trading. I watched it for a few hours last night after 7 p.m. when the market opened. I got so bored with it. There's just not enough activity there for me.
HIMZ,
You can see them flicker.
KULR. KULR. NUKK. KULR. OCGN. ASST. SOXL.
Big Head Golf, it is
ASST.
not. That scan that I put out is searching the 24-hour database on Thinkorswim, on Schwab.
HIMZ. ARBK.
If you look at the scan settings where it says search in, it's searching that 24-hour.
OCGN. AI. MSTX. SOXL. AI.
Still waiting on another runner. We don't have one yet. Nice trade,
SOXL.
Swami, on YouTube.
SOXL. SOXL.
See DraftKings popping up here. The closer we get to football season, the higher this stock price should go. That's DKNG.
WOLF. ARBK. SOXL.
Like I trade 5 days a
SLI.
week for members from about 5 a.m. is when I kick off the scan, but I don't moderate it till 6 a.m. Then I'll trade up to about 9:30, sometimes 10
UMAC.
o'clock.
SOXL.
So I trade pre-market and about an hour into the open. Then the market gets so slow, I lose interest in it. If we can never get the regular session to turn around, I'll probably sit here
SOXL.
longer.
KULR.
So about 4 hours a day, every day for members.
KULR. SOXL. ALLO.
All right, YouTubers, that free hour is coming
EOSC.
to a close. Thank you for joining me this morning. I hope you made a little bit of money. I know you got in kind of late on the AMDL run, if you got in on it at all. But I appreciate each and every one of you who joined me for that free hour on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Make sure you hit the like button for me. Make YouTube buy my coffee. I don't really moderate YouTube, so make sure, I
HTZ.
don't reply to most of the comments. I do sometimes. So if you have any questions, head over to volumespikes.com
KULR.
and submit a support ticket. We can answer any questions you have. But thank you for joining me this morning. I'll be live again Wednesday at
AMPX.
6 a.m. Central Time. I look forward to seeing you there. And as always, God
HUT.
bless. You have to be a paid member. I don't know if you're a paid
WOLF.
member or not. If you are, get with
BKKT.
support. They will help you out.
KULR. BTBT.